Hello there, my name is Michael. I'm the co-founder and technical director of Medic Technology International. I'm also the developer of the OSKA Pulse, and I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Jeff Marksbury. Dr. Jeff is the Chief Medical Officer of OSKA in the USA, and he's going to show you exactly how to use your OSKA Pulse.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Marksbury, Chief Medical Officer for OSKA Wellness, and today we're going to be discussing everything you need to know to get started using your OSKA Pulse from your doctor. We'll go through some of the accessories and talk about how to position and use the device, and hopefully cover any questions you may have. In Europe, Asia, and Australia, OSKA is considered a Class 2A device used to treat inflammation, arthritis, and to improve healing. This is the OSKA Pulse from your doctor. OSKA uses pulsed electromagnetic field, or PEMF therapy, to address your pain. Because we do produce an electromagnetic field, there's no need for skin contact. And the field itself is 22 inches in diameter, so 11 inches in each direction of the device. If you think of a sphere, everything within that sphere is going to be treated. If I have shoulder pain, for example, I can put the device even in the center of my chest, and that's enough distance to cover my shoulder on both sides, my neck, my back. And so you get a lot of coverage with this device. You don't have to have skin contact because it produces that electromagnetic field. So that treats through your clothes, through bandages, if you have a cast or hardware, a boot, anything like that, the device will actually treat through or around. You don't have to worry about those things. So there's no need for solutions, electrodes, or any of those accessories that make it more difficult to treat. So to use your OSKA Pulse from your doctor, it's one simple press of the button to turn the device on. You'll see a soft blue light. And that's really all your experience. The device is subsensory, so you won't feel anything while you wear the device. The recommended treatment time is 3 hours, and the device will beep once in 1 hour, once at 2 hours, and at 3 hours it beeps 3 times, and it will turn itself off. If you wanted to use the device again, you just simply push the button again, and it will cycle through that 3 hours again. So you'll get the device itself, charging and charging cable, the instructions for use, and then a short and a long compression wrap that will help you place the OSKA on your body wherever you need to treat. The short wrap is really easy to use for extremities if you're using it on your arm or leg. The longer strap is for your torso if you want to treat your back, shoulders, things like that. And you can play with that and move those around as you need to. So the OSKA Pulse from your doctor has a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. You'll see the recharging port in the end, and when the battery is depleted, you'll simply plug that in and let it charge. A full charge takes about 2 hours. And you'll see the lights will turn off once it's fully charged. And then once you start using the device, you'll have around 20 hours of treatment time. That's about 6 or 7 treatments that you can get before you need to recharge it. For optimal results, use OSKA at least once a day. The recommended treatment time is 3 hours, but as I mentioned before, you're welcome to use it as often as you want. OSKA is a very subtle treatment, so it may take you a couple of weeks of treating before you really see significant changes. Stay with it and keep consistent for optimal results. If you have any questions or concerns about the OSKA Pulse from your doctor, you're more than welcome to log into our website, send us a question, or call the office directly and talk to customer service.
Well, thank you for watching, and thank you, Dr. Jeff, for that explanation of how to use OSKA. Just a reminder that we do carry stock here in Perth, and we send it out express delivery with a signature for safe arrival at its destination. Thank you and goodbye.